Hi, I'm Beth Hensley with Elite Texas Properties, your North Texas Realtor. And if you've been looking for a home in the North Texas area lately, you've probably discovered that inventory is very limited, and it can be very frustrating. You see that houses that have been remodeled already or in really great condition go very quickly. So don't get frustrated. Consider that you could purchase a home and renovate it yourself.
Hi, I'm Michelle Beatty with Secure Title of Texas, and you don't have to be in Waco to buy your next fixer-upper. We're here today in North Texas at a house that's under construction, and we've come together as a team to help you buy your next dream home.
Hi, I'm Nancy Cooper with Prime Lending. I'm here to talk to you about our renovation loan. This loan allows borrowers to do renovations at time of purchase. It could be anything from a kitchen update to a full renovation. We can do this product on a conventional FHA, VA, or jumbo product. Again, I'm Nancy Cooper, your renovation loan expert.
As an agent, I can tell you there are lots of possibilities out there just waiting for you. When you're ready to renovate your next home, call us to help you create the home of your dreams.